Hello everyone, how are you today? Today we're building a high-end PC setup. First, we install the processor. Today we have the Ryzen 7 7800X3D. Align the CPU with a triangle marker, place it gently into the socket, and secure the latch. Next is storage. You can choose any brand or capacity you prefer. Install it easily into the slot and secure it. Now for the RAM, one of the easiest components to install. Press evenly from both ends until it clicks firmly into place. Today we're installing a liquid cooler because without proper cooling the CPU would run extremely hot. Remove these screws to prepare for the cooler installation. Next, remove the case glass panel so we can install the motherboard and the liquid cooling system. Start by mounting the motherboard. Align it properly and secure every screw in its designated position. Now install the liquid cooler. Apply an appropriate amount of thermal paste. Then mount the cooler securely in place. Next comes the power supply, which distributes power to all installed components. Position it correctly and fasten it with the screws. And now, the boss of this build, the graphics card. Remove the expansion slot covers. Insert the GPU carefully and secure it. And here is the final result. What do you think? Let me know your thoughts in the comments.